Welcome. And this is the practice question 8. So go to the killer coda and type new lab and you will find this new lab practice scenario for CKA and CKS. So click 16 question and there a beautiful page will be open and there you go and go to the question number 8, which is network policy. I recommend you to watch my network policies video first, then come to this question so that you can better understand, because this topic is little confusing. So network policy restrict for front end to back end communication. So you are working on a Kubernetes cluster that contain two namespaces, front end and back end. Pods running in the front end namespace use label app equal to front end. Pods running in the backend namespace use label app equal to backend and expose application on port number 80. So configure the Kubernetes network policy so that pods labeled front end and backend, pods labeled only pods labeled app front end from the front end namespace are allowed to access the pod label app equal to backend in the backend namespace using TCP IP this one. So all other incoming traffic is blocked, and apply the most suitable network policies to satisfy this request. So let's create a scenario for this. So don't worry, I had created all things to you, so just copy and paste. So first we create a front-end namespace, we create a backend namespace, then we create a front-end deployment, and we create a front-end backend deployment. Then we create policies. That is the option A, option B, and option C. So start creating our files. So paste. Option B, paste. Option C, paste. So Control L, so ls, and you have three files. So so we want to apply whatever the best suited. So let's see what each file says. So first we need to check what question is asking. Only pod label app frontend from the frontend namespace are allowed to access the label backend in the backend namespace. So a network policy enforced as the backend. So policy must live in the backend. So cat option YAML. So here namespace is backend. So good. Policy type is ingress. So this is good, and from namespace selector, and which is the backend. So this is not good because backend is allowed, front end is not allowed, means front end is blocking. So this policy allows traffic only from the same namespace. Our requirement is that traffic must come from the front end namespace. So this is not the good answer. So let's check B. So here this ignore the here the same thing is will happen, because here it is allowed for access pod label from backend and means with the labels. Okay, and here this ignores the Kubernetes identity completely, means backend allowed if IP matches. So our problem states that requirement is a pod based access, requirement is a namespace based restriction. So IP range do not represent Kubernetes identity. Pod get dynamic IP if new workload may get accidentally gain access. So this violate our I think requirement, and so it is overly permissive, I can say it. Now let's check what C says. So here label is for backend and match here. Look. So you can say it's a two-factor authentication. So namespace selector and pod selector. So namespace is a front end and pod label is app equal to frontline. So both are true. So this is correct namespace, identify the pod correctly. So we can say this could be the best and we can apply it. Okay, get netpol. So here allowed front end to backend. So thank you so much for your love and support. We'll meet in the next scenario where we discuss something more, and thank you so much for your love and support.